Patricia, and I'm here with the RideShare Guy. This video is about the best vehicles for deliveries in 2022. In this video, I will discuss the requirements for delivery. I'll show you the best vehicles for delivery for 2022, showing you different types. I will show you rental options just because you may want to try it out before you actually go purchase the car. I've done that many times. That has been very helpful before I finally make my final purchase on my car. So I will go to other places and rent those out. So that's something to consider. Most delivery companies have little to no requirements. Let's take a look at a few delivery companies so we can see what their actual requirements are. So you can keep these things in mind as you are preparing to decide on what is the best vehicle for you for 2022. So let's get into that. Let's look at some of the requirements for Postmates. You don't need a car. You can use a scooter, a bicycle, or even walk. Let's look at the requirements for Instacart. It requires you to have a vehicle. Now for DoorDash, it does not require you to have a vehicle. The requirements for Grubhub, you must be at least 19 years of age, except for in Chicago and Las Vegas, you must be 21, have a valid driver's license, have a car or a motorcycle with valid auto insurance. Uber Eats, however, is similar to Postmates. You can work via scooter, bike, or walk. If you choose to use a vehicle, it must have a registration and insurance. Now for Uber Connect is similar to Uber Eats. You just need a working car, a bike, or a scooter to carry the packages. Now remember, this is only a few delivery companies' requirements, and most of the delivery companies require little to no vehicle requirements. Keep these requirements in mind when picking the right vehicle for you. Let's look at a few examples of bicycles you can use an e-bike, which includes a motor, a battery, and sometimes a display screen. It would be helpful to have a basket, a light, a bell, a reflector, and more for safety. Most people think an e-bike is similar to a scooter, but it's not. It's actually similar to a regular bicycle. Some advantages of an e-bike are extended range, easy to use, it allows you to hold heavy goods, and you are able to use it to make more deliveries. Now let's look at another vehicle type, the scooter. It has similar advantages as the e-bike. However, you must carry your deliveries on your back. And it's smart to always wear a helmet when using these kinds of vehicles for your protection, but especially if the law requires it in your area. Let's look at another vehicle, the Toyota Prius. It's mentioned in our previous video, the best vehicle for RideShare 2022, where we show you the Prius is the ideal vehicle for deliveries because it is roomy, affordable, reliable, and just good on gas mileage. Since the job requires driving all over the city, along with large cargo space, which can increase your options to receive higher paying deliveries. Now, there are many other car options you can use for deliveries. For example, a Honda Accord, Hyundai Sonata, Toyota Camry, and the Chevy Bolt. Most importantly, you will need to purchase the vehicle type that is best for you and your lifestyle. Now for me, I'm a pretty stylish person. So I'm looking for an attractive, fuel-efficient car. Now, before I even decide to make my purchase, I'm going to try out some of these rental options. Let's talk about renting an e-bike. You can rent an e-bike with Zumo for as low as $39. Zumo offers 3 plans. Wheels is another e-bike rental company that are located in several states. You can rent from Wheels by using an app on your phone. Now let's look at the other bike rental, Zig. Zig is only offered in Canada, and their plan starts at $129 a month. You can rent up to 1 year, 1 month, or for however long you want to deliver. If you're looking to rent a motorcycle or a scooter, you can use RideShare to rent a scooter. You must be at least 21 years of age and have a valid motorcycle license. You can rent a scooter for as low as $60 per day. If you're looking for a car rental to make deliveries, Here are a few that you can check out. Hire Car and Gig Car Share are rental car platforms that allow private owners to list their cars for rent. Hire Car provides the insurance as part of the rental. Gig Car Shares allow users to deliver but unable to carry passengers. Gig Car Share is available only in the following cities: San Francisco Bay Area, Sacramento, and Seattle. If you're doing rideshare and you want to know the best cars for rideshare, especially since there's a difference between rideshare and delivery requirements, you'll want to check out this video right here, the best vehicles for rideshare 2022. Remember to click the subscribe button along with the notification button. We upload videos every week. I leave you with this tip. Please keep your car clean while delivering food. And most importantly, please, please, please do not eat the people food. Until next time, bye.